Hi guys, today I want to show you one of my new smoke alarms. I got it for, I think it was $2.50 or $3 or like so. It's a photoelectric smoke alarm, runs on a 9-volt battery, and yeah, I have a bottle of smoke here. Looks kind of weird. Let's give it a try with the test button. Okay, now we try it with the bottle here. The detection chamber is, I think it's here. Yeah, I think so. Well, let's give this a try. There it goes. That was loud. Well, that was the video about my new smoke alarm. Thanks for watching. Bye.